Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So today's look is this one right here, and yes, I have pink hair. We can't right? Isn't this amazing? I absolutely love it, love it, love it. I can't get over it, and it looks so good with this makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right into today's video. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in, my eyes are prepped and ready, and I have some new hair. So I absolutely love it, you guys. This is definitely a lace wig. This is the first time I ever applied a lace wig myself or even purchased a lace wig. So I'm really happy with the result. I'm really excited about it. I feel like the only thing I need to do to this wig is give it a little bit of a cut, just thin it out a little bit, make it look a little bit more realistic, especially on the ends. But other than that, I feel like everything looks amazing. The reason why I wanted to purchase a lace wig is because I have been dying for so long to change my hairstyle, like the color. I've been dying for pink hair because, you know, I've just seen so many girls with it, and I just think it looks so pretty, youthful, and just so cute, you know? So I really love it. And I was like, you know what? Like I said, I refuse to dye my hair, strip it, and do all the stuff I need to do to achieve that color. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to place a wig order. And that's exactly what I did. I did my search, I read the reviews, and did all that good stuff. So for the first time doing all of that, I have to say that I'm pretty pleased. So yeah, I just wanted to say that before we actually move on to today's makeup. So yeah, I'm really happy with this pink wig. I'm really loving it. But now for the makeup look, before I continue, I'm actually going to clip the hair back just a little bit so it's out of my face and ready to go. So we're just gonna we'll clip this back like that. And we're gonna jump right in. So today I'm going to be going in with the Morphe, what is this, 39A, and this is the Dare to Create palette. I am going to be doing somewhat of a brown look, something, right? Maybe do like this berry tone on the lid, just so it matches my hair because I'm super obsessed. I want to make sure everything looks pretty good, you know? So I'm going to go in with this Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I believe this is Canvas because I just have a feeling. But if you own this palette, take it out and let's do our makeup together. Honestly, you guys, I feel like a completely different person with this hair. I love it. My man has yet to see this because I literally got it yesterday, and I was so excited to play with it. I went out and, well, online I ordered the what is it, the glue for the hair, and I just played with it like a little while ago, and it honestly took me like 20 minutes. So I was really happy. It was really easy. I mean, like I said, for my expertise, which is like 0 at doing this, I mean, I feel like I did a really decent job, especially since I saw like a couple of videos, so I felt pretty comfortable doing it myself. Alright, so now switching brushes, I'm going to go in with this one from BH Cosmetics, and I am going to be going in with this shade here from the palette, and I don't know what that one's called, but I'm just going to be applying that right over the first color and just deepening it up. There you go. Alright, so for the next brush, I'm going to be grabbing the Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush, and I'm going to be going in with this like purpley plum color here, and I'm going to be using that on the outer V right here, just to deepen up the outer part of the eye right here. I'm also going to bring it out a little bit, just like that. and also applying that right in the crease. Alright, so grabbing this other brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to be mixing this shade here and this shade here. So both of those with this brush, and I'm going to be applying that right on the lid. Now I'm gonna grab my finger and I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. It's this pretty shimmery like berry color, and I'm just going to apply that right on the lid. Now I'm gonna grab this other brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a nice flat top brush, and I am gonna go in with this black right here from the palette, and I'm just going to apply that right here on the water, not the water line, on the eyelash line. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in with that JH32, and I'm just going to blend everything out right here, all the edges, and it's just going to soften everything up. So this is really nice. I like this. It's nice and smoky, but at the same time it has a little bit of dimension on the eye, which, you know, because of that shimmer shade, it looks really pretty. Gives it a little bit of a pop, and it's not super matte. So adding that black to the lash line really makes it look a little bit fuller on the lashes, so that's really nice. I like that a lot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up all this fallout that I have on my face right here, and I'm just going to apply some lashes, and once I'm done with that, I'll be back and finish off the rest of the makeup. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. I did go in with the Kiss number 11 lashes, and now I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to go in with this one from Essence. This is the Prime and Studio Glow Boosting and Pore Minimizing Primer with Pink Clay. I actually do like this, you guys, and what I love about it, it's that it's so affordable. Essence has pretty decent products, so I also love the fact that this is a pore minimizing, and it feels really good, and it's like a cream, and the smell is not bad either. So for foundation today, I am going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This one is in the shade W6, and I'm just going to be using my Real Technique sponge to apply it. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to go in with this one from Too Faced. To bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with the concealer from Too Faced as well. This one is in the shade Mocha. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and set my under eye. I'm going to use my RCMA powder. To bronze up my face, I'm actually going to use one of the shadows from in here from the palette. I'm going to go in with this one here first, which is the one I actually used in my transition shade, and just apply that right over the bronzer, the cream bronzer. And this is a really nice shade. Now I'm going to go back into the eyes. I'm going to grab the Morphe M321, and I'm going to grab this berry tone here from the palette and apply that on the lower lash line. With the same brush, I'm going to grab that shimmer shade right there that I applied on the lid and just run that as well on the lower lash line. On the waterline, I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the Rimmel Waterproof Eye Definer in the shade Ripe Plum. Moving on to highlight, I'm going to go in with this one from I Heart Revolution. This is the Rose Gold Glow. I absolutely love this one, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. Love this. So I'm going to go in with the Rose Gold just because I feel like it goes well with the berry tone. And the hair. It looks so pretty. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with this lip liner right here from LA Girl. This is the Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner in the shade Boundless Berry. And now to finish off the lips, I'm going to go in with my ABH lip palette. And I'm going to mix a couple of shades. I'm going to grab this one here, right here in the palette. I'm going to apply that first. And now I'm going to grab this shade right here as well. And now to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the NYX Bear With Me. This is the Prime, Set, and Refresh. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I absolutely love the way it looks. It's so pretty. It looks so good with my hair. You guys, I am absolutely obsessed with the hair and the way everything just looks really good together. Everything matches perfectly and I love it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's makeup look and the hair as much as I did. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.